America's weird origins. States that almost shouldn't exist. America didn't just form naturally. Some states were accidents. Some were experiments. And some were built on decisions so strange, they almost changed the map forever. These are 3 U.S. states whose origins sound fake, but absolutely aren't. And by the end of this, you'll realize America's borders were way more fragile than you were taught. Georgia, America's human dumping ground. Georgia wasn't founded for freedom. It was founded to get rid of people. In 1732, Britain created Georgia as a buffer colony, a human shield between wealthy South Carolina and Spanish Florida. But here's the twist. Georgia was designed as a social experiment. Britain shipped over. Debtors, prisoners, people's society didn't want. The idea was simple. Give them land, structure, and rules, and see if broken people could be fixed. Alcohol was banned. Large land ownership was banned. Slavery was banned at first. Georgia was supposed to be moral, controlled, reformed. It failed almost immediately. Settlers hated the rules. The economy collapsed. And Georgia quickly became everything it tried not to be. A colony built as a second chance. That turned into another brutal frontier. But Georgia's origin was messy. The next one was outright stolen. Hawaii, the overthrown queen. Hawaii wasn't settled. It was taken. By the late 1800s, Hawaii was an independent kingdom, with its own culture, laws, and ruler, Queen Liliuokalani. American sugar plantation owners wanted control. Not land, not influence, control. So, in 1893, with support from U.S. Marines, they staged a coup. The Queen was imprisoned. The monarchy was dismantled. And Hawaii was forced into U.S. control without the consent of its people. President Grover Cleveland even admitted the overthrow was wrong. But it didn't matter. Hawaii was annexed anyway. A kingdom erased, then rebranded as a vacation destination. And that history still echoes today. But at least Hawaii stayed American. Because the next state almost didn't. Idaho, the state that almost joined Canada. Idaho nearly became Canadian. In the mid-1800s, Idaho was isolated, lawless, and ignored by Washington. No infrastructure, no protection, no real government support. Meanwhile, Canada was closer, more organized, and actually present. So settlers did something wild. They petitioned to leave the United States and join British-controlled Canada instead. They were serious. Washington only reacted when it realized it was about to lose territory. Idaho got fast-tracked into American control, not because it was ready, but because the U.S. panicked. One delayed decision, and the northern border would look completely different today. Georgia was an experiment. Hawaii was overthrown. Idaho almost defected. And if these states barely held together, how many others came close to vanishing entirely? Because America didn't just happen. It almost didn't. And once you know that, history stops feeling stable at all.